Is a coup brewing in Bangladesh? Social media has been buzzing with speculations that the military is about to overthrow Muhammad Yunus-led interim government. The rumors were further fanned by media reports quoting Bangladeshi sources. It is being said that Bangladesh Army Chief Waqar-uz-Zaman held an emergency meeting on Monday. The said meeting was attended by top army officials including lieutenant general, major generals, and commanding officers. Reports linked this quote emergency meeting unquote with a potential political upheaval. They also mentioned that the army may pressure President Mohammad Shahabuddin to declare a state of emergency or stage a coup. The rumors have gained further traction as security has been beefed up in Bangladesh. More military personnel and army units have been deployed in capital Dhaka. The army chief has warned against terrorist attacks and called for increased vigilance. Last month, he attacked political forces by saying, and I quote, "I have had enough for the last 7 to 8 months. We want to place the country and people in a good place and return to the barracks." End quote. Political analysts are sensing some friction between the government and the army chief. Now, what do the leaders have to say? Bangladesh's chief advisor Muhammad Yunus has called it a quote, "festival of rumors," unquote. In a televised address, Mr. Yunus said that people are trying to spread false information, and as elections draw closer, it will only get worse. The army has also dismissed the reports by calling them, quote, "sensational narratives," unquote. However, the volatile state of Bangladesh cannot be ignored. Mr. Yunus has been facing widespread protests calling for him to step down. Despite all this, Mr. Yunus has embarked on a 4-day visit to China. He will hold talks with President Xi Jinping in an attempt to boost bilateral ties. The two countries are planning to sign at least 8 memorandum of understanding on trade, culture, Mongla port, and more. Now, what's interesting is that the visit comes ahead of a request for a meeting with PM Modi. Dhaka earlier sent a letter to India proposing a meeting between Mr. Yunus and PM Modi at a summit in Bangkok next month. While India is yet to respond, experts say the meeting seems unlikely given the strained bilateral relation. Since Sheikh Hasina's ouster, India has maintained a measured distance from the Yunus administration. With this backdrop, does Mr. Yunus's visit to China highlight a change in tides? Bangladesh has traditionally been within India's sphere of influence, but a deepening Bangladesh-China relation may alter the strategic balance in South Asia. How is India going to respond? We'll have to wait and watch. Arzu Tawar for NDTV.